Today is Sunday, October 1st. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible top power gearbox actuating mechanism. This is for my friend Angelo and Dale in Pontiac, Michigan. The unit has been completely disassembled. The gears have been built up and recut on my Gleason gear cutting machine, and thereby I have perfect interference fitment between the three dissimilar gears that actuate the pivot arm. The units are then cryogenically treated and lubricated and reassembled. So this is video number 2 out of a 2-video set. The first video showed the component breakdown on the bench, and this is a functional validation test. I'm connected with the cabling. I have good interlocking integrity with the thread, and I'll go ahead and apply power. And we see a beautiful swinging transition with high torque, which is increasing the power of the motor by an order of magnitude. And now I'll go ahead and reverse it. One more time. And that's the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible top power gearbox actuating mechanism. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados. Over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall through 1978 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Sunday, October 1st. Thank you very kindly.